With city population booming, more and more areas are being developed. So what should we do with those empty weed-ridden dirt lots? As urban areas grow, climate change is becoming a larger issue. Cities are being repaved and buildings are being redone, but many areas are still yet to be touched. Take empty dirt lots, for example. These areas of bare dirt aren't contributing to fighting climate change, as they lack the ability to store carbon without any plants. They also contribute to heat and drought conditions within cities. So, how can we change this? By restoring them. But what should we plant, and how can we do it sustainably? Researchers used a life cycle analysis of 50 years to find out what would be the most sustainable option to replace these brown fields. Neighborhoods and communities would benefit from natural development in these areas, turning them into small pockets of nature throughout the city while simultaneously fighting climate change. Standard turf grass, you might think? That would be the first thing that comes to mind when planting in these areas, but doing so would be more detrimental over time. Though using turf grass may help climate change compared to a bare dirt lot, it causes more harm than good when maintenance is required. The researchers found this was primarily driven by the ongoing need for intensive irrigation, mowing, and the frequent chemical fertilizer applications. This would contribute up to 80 to 90% of environmental damage over the course of 50 years. So what can we plant here instead? Native gardens and xeriscapes. Using either native plants or xeric plants, or a mixture of both, would be the solution. This landscaping technique offers less necessary maintenance and highly available space for carbon storage in the soil. Xeriscapes and native plant gardens to replace brownfields throughout a city will have better long-term impacts on the environment compared to standard lawn installation. Native plants are species that naturally occur or have evolved to that specific region, and xeric plants are drought-tolerant species that thrive without supplemental irrigation. He suggests that across multiple categories, including future global warming potential, nutrient runoff, and ozone depletion, that native plants and xeriscaping exhibited the lowest overall environmental impact across a 50-year period. So choose native plants. The maintenance required for these landscaping styles are little to none compared to turf grass, which requires ongoing maintenance, like mowing, which isn't necessary, and pesticides, most likely not necessary. To maximize sustainability in urban park designs, planners should favor native plants or xeriscaping. This study was conducted by John C. Crittenden and Sergey M. Sementana, who are both affiliated with the Georgia Institute of Technology.